Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about Dochub, which is the best PDF signing and editing app. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to access Dochub and get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the dashboard, you can see we can import a document in here since it is a platform to simply create your PDF signing and editing. Now you can also create a template, so you can get a head start using template. If you create, you can also send a sign request. So once you send it, of course the other guy is going to be signing and verifying the document. So really amazing tool for that. You have your inbox on the left side of your screen as well, where you will be receiving all of your request forms and records. You have your sent, where will be available the listing that you have sent to a client or any potential customer or whatever. So in the document section, you can see the uploaded documents. So in the dashboard, you will be able to upload a document and they will be listed in document section, of course, for easy access. And you can also see your templates. Using this, you can get started with your templates, of course. So you have your public, and here will be all of the information that is related to public, like for example template distribution and published documents. You can create a new document using this option, and here you can upload any document of your choice. So let's just try uploading anything in here, and let's just go with, like for example, this one. And once we upload it, just wait for a couple of seconds. Once it is uploaded, and click on create document. And also we have our settings to customize our account settings. Now if you are still unsure about Dochub, you can see its reviews as well. Streamlines my remote position better than an in-office option. Dochub is the best, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, that you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.